So I just wanted to show you these clay beads for jewelry making. My daughter got these here as a Christmas gift. This is the way the beads look. You see it has all the colors of the rainbow and more. And just check out how much you actually get here. You also get a lot of unique things. It has numbers, letters, it has these gold beads. The colors just go on and on and on. Here's the way the beads look up close. My daughter said one of the things that she likes best about these clay beads is they feel really good on her skin compared to the other kind, like the plastic ones. Also comes with this elastic string. This is the way it looks up close. So whether you or your child likes to make bracelets, necklaces, things like that, check out this bead set here. It's made out of clay. It feels really great. It comes with 46,000 pieces. So they'll be able to use this for a very, very long time.